Weather alert. Weather alert. Let's go. Here we go.
Alright, so it's about 4 p.m. I'm watching this storm that's east of Lima, right down here. It's got a $half size hill reading. And they issued this SPS on it. There's a possibility that this might go severe. So just keeping an eye on it. Yep.
Your flocks were in there.
No comment. But anyway. Okay, take 2. So it's about 4 p.m. I'm watching this one cell here. It's east of Lima. Has a $half size hail rating on it. They issued a SPS regarding this. So my biggest concern that this will eventually go severe. It could potentially drop some quarters. So I'm just keeping an eye on it. And I'm definitely going to make a prediction that TFX will pull the trigger here. So, we'll see what happens. Called it. Called it. Beaverhead. Too late for a KOPR on the stream. Close enough. Got the EOMs. So, yeah. Called it. Yet again. Took you fucks long enough. KBOW, go now. SVRs going.
At 4:52 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 miles west of Henry's Lake, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Reynolds Pass. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah. I have one thing to say. Took you long enough! Yeah, nice try, TFX. Nice fucking try.